Hello YouTuber friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and new tutorial. Let's see how to find out who are watching your YouTube videos. Log in to YouTube and select your profile photo at the top of the screen. Then, select YouTube Studio. In the left panel, select Analytics to expand a list of tabs for different types of statistics related to your video viewers, including reach, engagement, and audience. On Overview tab, you can check how your content is doing. Can check your views data, watch time, subscribers and your revenue. On Reach tab, you'll find your channel's impressions, views, unique views, and more. And can see internal YouTube traffic sources include YouTube search, suggested videos, playlists, YouTube advertising, and other features. External traffic data comes from mobile sources, websites, and apps that have your video embedded or linked. Engagement. The Engagement tab provides detailed information on how long people watch your videos. Here, you can see which videos are the most watched, your most effective end-screen videos, your top playlists by watch time. And click on See More. You can see more details. These different chart color shows your video title, or you can check it by title in this down also. On Geography tab, you can see which countries watch your content. You can check your viewer age also. By click on Traffic Source tab, you can check how viewer got and watched your videos. Subscribe. Thanks for your supports and watching. Hope you find this short tutorial helpful. Bye.